if Rahul has got a 6-day working week, then would he be able to dress up in a different attire for the entire week? Let's find out it in 60 seconds. Rahul has 3 shirts and 2 trousers. How many different pairs of a trouser and a shirt can he dress up with? अब समझते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. सबसे पहले let's say he has 3 shirts of these colors, 2 trousers of these colors. So blue shirt के साथ राहुल 2 में से कोई भी एक ट्राउजर पहन सकता है. यानी कि this is my first combination जिसमें आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर 2 options. अब चलते हैं with the black shirt. Rahul again can wear these 2 trousers. यानी कि another 2 combinations ये हो गए फिर से 2 options. Similarly for the last shirt, 2 combinations again. So in total he has got 6 combinations. So total combinations बना number of shirts into number of trousers. यानी कि 3 into 2 which is 6. So this is the fundamental principle of multiplication. अब एक दूसरी situation को समझते हैं where he is supposed to choose between 3 formal and 2 casual shoes. Now he has 3 options for wearing formal, 2 options for wearing casual shoes. So we have 5 possibilities in total because he doesn't have to choose both of them simultaneously. क्योंकि वो एक बार में एक ही टाइप के शूज कैरी कर सकता है. So this is known as fundamental principle of addition, where we add the cases when you have to choose either this or that. If you like to practice more such questions or view the step-by-step solution, copy the link from the comment section and explore them on Extra Marks Learning app. Thank you.